take some pizza, national dessert, try it, and the one who take the test, please get a reward. Thank you.
What were the answers to the questions?
Okay. Through the quiz, what is the capital of Slovenia? Now we know, right? It's Ljubljana. What is the official name of the country? Is Republika Slovenia. What is or are the official languages or language of Slovenia? Official are Slovenian, but in some parts also Italian and Hungarian. What is the current currency of Slovenia? Is euro. How many neighbor countries